Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create and consume RESTful web services in Java. Before we begin, let's go over what RESTful web services are. REST stands for Representational State Transfer, and it is an architectural style for building distributed systems based on the HTTP protocol. It is a stateless client-server model where data can be exchanged between the client and the server in the form of JSON or XML. RESTful web services use the HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE to perform CRUD create, read, update, delete operations on resources which are identified using RES uniform resource identifiers. Okay, let's move on to creating a RESTful web service in Java. We are going to use the Spring Boot framework to do this. If you don't already have it installed, head over to the Spring Boot website and download it. Now let's create a new Spring Boot project in Intelli. Select File, New Project. Choose Spring Initializer. Enter the group name and artifact name. Then select Web and Spring Web Dependencies. Click Next, choose a name and location for your project. Click Finish and wait for Intelli to create the project. Now that we have our project set up, let's create a new RESTful web service endpoint. Right-click on the package name in the Project Explorer and select New Class. Name the class Greeting Controller. We are going to create a simple GET endpoint that returns a greeting message in plain text. Add the following code to the Greeting Controller class. Okay, now let's run our application and test the endpoint. Right-click on the main class and select Run. Open a browser and go to localhost 8000 IT greeting. Name John, replace John with your name. You should see a greeting message in plain text. Great! We have created a RESTful web service endpoint. Now let's move on to consuming RESTful web services. We are going to use the same Spring Boot project that we created earlier, but this time we are going to create a new class that will consume a RESTful web service endpoint. Right-click on the package name in the Project Explorer and select New Class. Name the class Quote. We are going to consume a Quote API that returns a random quote in JSON format. We will use the Spring RESTtemplate class to consume the API. Add the following code to the Quote class. Now add the following code to the main class to consume the API endpoint and print the quote to the console. That's it. Run the application and you should see a random quote printed to the console. Thanks for watching and happy coding.